Hey guys, I know there were questions about the assignment and like how to do the actual math part. So I'm going to do just a short video on combining like terms. So for instance, if we had 5, sorry guys, if we had 5x squared plus 3 minus 2 plus 6x squared, what we're looking for is we want to look for all the things that have an x squared attached to them, and that's what we want to combine. And then anything else that's left that doesn't have that x squared, we want to combine later. So combining them, we're going to combine the 5x squared and the 6x squared together. When we're doing this combination, the x squared kind of tags along. It doesn't change because all we're doing is worrying about the numbers in front. So we're just going to have that x squared tag along, kind of like almost like a little brother or something. And we're really just focusing on the number in front of that x squared. So what is 5 plus 6? Well, 5 plus 6 is 11. So these guys combine to give me 11x squared. Now that we've combined our x squareds, we want to look at the just a numbers. So we have 3 minus 2. Well, I know how to do 3 minus 2. You guys are great at math. 3 minus 2 is just 1, and it's a positive, so I'm just going to do plus 1. And now this is as simple as it gets. We're going to do another example. So if we had multiple things, so if we had like 3y squared plus 7x squared minus 1 plus x squared minus 2y squared plus 8. So if we had all of this, we're still looking at which ones have the same tag along. So if they don't have the same tag along, then they can't be combined. So y and x are not the same. They can't be combined together. So I'm not going to combine my x's and my y's. I'm going to combine my y squareds and my y squareds. And then when I'm doing that, again, I'm just looking at the number in front of that y squared. So 3 minus 2, that's kind of what we're combining, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 just gives me 1, and that y squared just tags along. Then we have our x squareds that we want to combine. And again, we just want the number in front. So we're looking at what is in front of that x squared. That's what we're going to combine together. If there's nothing in front of it, there's an imaginary one. There's an understood one that there is 1 x squared there. So we're going to combine these guys. And so we really need to do 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 gives us 8x squared. All right, the last part, the last ones we need to combine, let's do a different color, is our numbers. So this didn't have anything, any letter with it. So we just have -1 and 8. So -1 plus 8. You guys can use your calculators. You can do -1 plus 8. You can do 8 minus 1, but you should get 7. And then the last part is just kind of putting them all together. So we have y squared. I know we have a 1, but we don't have to put it. You can put it. It's not wrong. You just don't need to. This was a positive 8x squared, so plus 8x squared. And then we have a positive 7. So this is my simplified version. I will have tutoring and stuff, so if you have questions, please feel free to come back and get more help, but I hope this helped.